Hello and welcome to another video. I'm at Yasuno Station, and as you can see, there's a train in the platform. Unfortunately, there have been no trains leaving from this station since the line closed back in 2003. This carriage was left here at the station after the final services. And as you can see, unfortunately, it's looking a little bit worse for wear now. Now the area around the station has been reborn as a flower park, and as you can see, it's full of cherry blossoms, which this weekend, even after the rain of this morning, are pretty full. So let's go and have a little look round. This used to be part of the JR Kabe Line, which now goes from Hiroshima as far as Akikameyama, which is just after Kabe, hence the name Kabe Line. However, until this part of the line closed in 2003, it went all the way up into the hills to a place called Sandankyo. Sandankyo is famous for its 3 waterfalls cascading through a series of gorges. It's a beautiful place, and especially so in the red leaf season. The trains along this line in the first few weeks of November were as crowded as you would find in Tokyo in rush hour. Unfortunately, for basically the rest of the year, there was nobody on the trains, which is why in the end, this part of the line was closed. Nowadays, there is a bus service instead of a train service between Hiroshima and Sandankyo. It's not the same though. There was something wonderful about taking a picnic and sitting on a train for however long it took to get to Sandankyo. I seem to remember it was about 3 hours. It may have been more. It certainly wasn't a fast service. Basically because the line winds its way up this valley following the river, which is just to my left. It would never really have been an economically viable line, although when it was built there were plans to link it all the way to the north coast of, well, the Japan Sea coast, so north from Hiroshima, and I suppose it would have had the potential to have been a semi-important cross-Japan link. Unfortunately though, that never happened. The line was terminated at Sandankyo, and well, the rest is history. To be honest, I wasn't really sure whether I was going to come today. First of all the way until lunchtime there was torrential rain, and it really didn't look like it was going to clear up. And I thought, given the strength of the rain, that even if it did clear up, maybe the cherry blossoms would already have fallen. However, I'm glad I made the decision to come in the end. It really is as beautiful as I've remembered from past years, and I think, as you can see now, the mist on the mountains as evening begins to fall is really quite poetically beautiful. It's now 6:20, and as dusk begins to fall, it really is quite remarkably peaceful here. I can hear the river, I can hear bird song, but that's it. I would assume that at night it feels very, very remote here. Maybe sometime I'll drive here and experience that. But for today, I need to catch the bus back to Hiroshima. So I will finish this video here. I hope you enjoyed this little visit to Yasuno Station. It's been a couple of years since I've been myself, but I know I enjoyed it. It was worth coming, and I think in a way even more so because it was after such heavy rain this morning. The mist on the hills, in a way, I think made the scenery. Anyway, as I say, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you very soon in another one. I think this may be the final cherry blossom viewing video for this year, but come next weekend I will be wandering somewhere else in Hiroshima, and I would be very happy if you join me. For now though, thanks once again for watching, and goodbye.